Warren Buffett is one of the world's most successful investors and business magnates. He has a net worth of over $100 billion and has consistently ranked as one of the richest people in the world for many years. In this video, we will be discussing Warren Buffett's insights on poor people wasting money. Being financially savvy is crucial in today's world, and it's important to understand where our money is going and how to avoid wasting it. Warren Buffett has highlighted 10 things poor people tend to waste money on, and understanding them can help individuals become financially successful. These 10 things may seem small, but they can have a significant impact on our finances in the long run. By avoiding these waste points, we can improve our financial situation and secure a better future for ourselves. So without further ado, let's dive into Warren Buffett's 10 things poor people waste money on. Number 1. Expensive cars. The first thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is expensive cars. Poor people may be tempted to buy expensive cars as a way to improve their status or keep up with their peers. The cost of owning an expensive car can quickly add up with expenses such as insurance, maintenance, and fuel. Additionally, expensive cars depreciate in value quickly, which means that individuals may be wasting a large amount of money on something that will lose value over time. To avoid wasting money on expensive cars, it's important to consider the total cost of ownership, including insurance, maintenance, and fuel costs. Additionally, it may be more financially savvy to purchase a used or less expensive car, which can still provide reliable transportation at a lower cost. Number 2. Lotteries and gambling. The second thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is lotteries and gambling. While these activities may seem like an easy way to make money, the reality is that the odds of winning are stacked against the player. In fact, the odds of winning the lottery are often millions to one. Poor people may be more susceptible to lotteries and gambling because they're looking for a quick fix to their financial problems. However, these activities are not a sustainable solution and can actually lead to deeper financial issues. Gambling can be addictive, and individuals may find themselves spending more and more money trying to win big. This not only wastes money but can also lead to financial ruin. It's important to understand that lotteries and gambling are not a reliable source of income. Individuals should focus on building a solid financial foundation through budgeting, saving, and investing. Number 3. Brand name products. The third thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is brand name products. These products are often sold at a premium price because of the brand's reputation and image. However, they may not always be the best quality or value for money. Poor people are more likely to waste money on brand name products as they may be more drawn to the concept of brand loyalty, which may lead them to believe that brand name products are the only options available. However, this is not the case. By choosing generic or store brand products instead of brand name ones, individuals can save a significant amount of money without sacrificing quality. In many cases, the only difference between a brand name product and a generic one is the label and packaging. It's important to understand that just because a product is brand name, it doesn't mean it's better. Research and compare products before making a purchase to ensure you are getting the best value for your money. Number 4. Impulsive shopping. The fourth thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is impulsive shopping. Impulsive shopping occurs when individuals make purchases on a whim without considering the cost or whether they actually need the item. Poor people may be more susceptible to impulsive shopping as a way to alleviate stress or improve their mood. However, this behavior can quickly spiral out of control and lead to financial problems. It's important to have a budget and stick to it. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it is a necessary expense and if it fits within your budget. If not, it may be best to wait and reconsider the purchase at a later time. In addition, it's helpful to make a shopping list before going to the store. This can help prevent impulsive purchases and ensure that you only buy what you need. Number 5. Prepaid cell phone plans. The fifth thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is prepaid cell phone plans. While prepaid cell phone plans may seem like a cost-effective solution, they can actually end up costing more in the long run. Prepaid cell phone plans often come with limited data and call minutes, which can result in overage charges if individuals exceed their limit. Additionally, these plans may not include features such as roaming or international calling, which can lead to additional charges when traveling. Poor people may choose prepaid cell phone plans because they are trying to save money on their monthly expenses. However, they may not realize that these plans can actually end up costing more in the long run due to additional charges and limitations. It's important to choose a cell phone plan that fits your needs and budget. Research different plans and compare the costs and benefits before making a decision. In some cases, a postpaid cell phone plan may actually be more cost-effective in the long run. Number 6. Unnecessary insurance. The sixth thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is unnecessary insurance. Many people purchase insurance policies without fully understanding the coverage and cost. This can result in them paying for insurance that they don't need or that duplicates coverage they already have. Poor people may be more susceptible to buying unnecessary insurance because they are trying to protect themselves and their assets. However, without proper research and understanding, they may end up paying for insurance that does not provide the coverage they need. It's important to do your research and understand the different types of insurance available. Ask questions and seek the advice of a financial advisor if necessary. In addition, it's important to review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure that it still meets your needs and that you are not overpaying for coverage that is no longer necessary. Number 7. Late fees. The seventh thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is late fees. Late fees can be a result of not paying bills on time or forgetting to make a payment. These fees can add up quickly and can have a significant impact on an individual's finances. Poor people may be more susceptible to paying late fees because they are living paycheck to paycheck and may not have enough money to cover all of their expenses. Additionally, they may not have a system in place to keep track of due dates and may forget to make payments on time. To avoid late fees, it's important to establish a system for paying bills on time. This could involve setting up automatic payments or reminders for when bills are due. Additionally, individuals should make sure that they have enough money in their account to cover all of their expenses. Number 8. High-interest debt. The eighth thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is high-interest debt. High-interest debt is debt that carries a high interest rate, such as credit card debt or payday loans. This type of debt can quickly spiral out of control, resulting in individuals paying hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest charges. Poor people may be more susceptible to high-interest debt because they do not have access to traditional forms of credit and may need to turn to high-interest lenders to cover expenses. Additionally, they may not understand the long-term costs of high-interest debt and the impact it can have on their finances. To avoid high-interest debt, it's important to live within your means and avoid using credit cards or loans to pay for expenses that you cannot afford. If you do have high-interest debt, it's important to create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible to minimize the amount of interest you will pay. Number 9. Eating out frequently. The ninth thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is eating out frequently. Eating out can be a convenient and enjoyable way to get a meal, but it can also be very expensive. The cost of dining out, especially at restaurants, can quickly add up and can have a significant impact on an individual's finances. Poor people may be more susceptible to eating out frequently because they have busy schedules or because they do not have the time or resources to prepare meals at home. To avoid wasting money on eating out, it's important to plan meals and make a grocery list. This can help individuals save money by avoiding impulse purchases at the grocery store and by ensuring that they have the ingredients on hand to prepare meals at home. Number 10. Financial ignorance. The 10th and final thing that poor people tend to waste money on, according to Warren Buffett, is financial ignorance. Financial ignorance refers to a lack of understanding about personal finance, including budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding the costs and benefits of different financial products. Poor people may be more susceptible to financial ignorance because they may not have access to financial education or resources. Additionally, they may not have the support or guidance needed to make informed financial decisions. To avoid financial ignorance, it's important to seek out financial education and resources, such as books, courses, and financial advisors. This can help individuals gain the knowledge and understanding they need to make informed financial decisions and become financially successful. It's important to be mindful of one's spending and to understand the costs and benefits of different financial products. Individuals can become financially successful and reach their financial goals. Warren Buffett is a prime example of what can be achieved through financial savvy and discipline. By avoiding the waste points discussed in this video and by seeking out financial education and resources, individuals can become financially successful and reach their financial goals. Understanding the areas where poor people tend to waste money can help individuals become financially successful and achieve their financial goals. Thank you for watching.